In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable editing. By the end, you'll know how to make a file open read-only, how to control what others can do when you share it, and how to switch your own view between editing and viewing modes so you always work the way you intend. Let's start by making a file read only on your computer. Open your document or workbook, go to File, then Info. Look for Protect Document or Protect Workbook if you are in a spreadsheet, and choose Always Open Read Only. From now on, that file will politely ask anyone who opens it to view first and confirm before making changes. This is great for reducing accidental edits and keeping an original intact while still allowing someone to deliberately choose to edit if they need to. If you want a stronger layer of control inside the file, go to the Review tab and select Restrict Editing. This opens a panel where you can limit formatting or the types of changes that are allowed. It's especially helpful when you want people to fill out only certain parts or keep a layout consistent while still letting others add content in designated areas. Next, let's talk about how the app treats files from the web or email. Go to File, then Options, choose Trust Center, and open Trust Center settings. Select Protected View and uncheck the 3 options listed. Turning these off means files won't automatically open in a restricted read-only state based on where they came from. Only do this if you are confident about your file sources, because Protected View is designed to help keep your device safe. If you are unsure, consider leaving these protections on and only editing trusted files. Now, if you are sharing a file with others and want to control their permissions, click the Share button in the top right. Under General Access, change the setting from Editor to Viewer to disable their ability to edit. Switch it back to Editor when you want to grant full editing rights again. This is a quick way to keep collaborators aligned with your intent, whether you are distributing a final version or inviting changes. Finally, to switch your own view in a shared file, click the pencil icon or the current mode name like Viewing. In the top right toolbar, choose Editing to make direct changes, suggesting to propose edits that can be accepted or rejected, or Viewing to prevent yourself from altering anything. Pick the mode that matches your goal so you stay in control. That's it, simple. Clear ways to enable or disable editing based on your needs. Thanks for watching.